In this episode, I will be showing you the progress I've been making on my 1/350 scale NCC 1701 model build. That's all coming on right now. Okay folks, we're back with another update on the progress of the 1/350 scale build model that I've been building for the past few months. Today I wanted to cover the sections that I've been working on so far. None of the wiring has been done yet. I've just been painting some of the parts before assembly because I feel that that will make it easier for me to get this thing built. As you can see, the saucer section is not connected, but it's all painted. And nothing's in there yet. What I decided to do was do the Aztec Mask painting scheme in sections before I assemble it. As you can see, some of the sections of the halls are already painted. I spend the better part of the time doing one part of the nacelles, and as you can see, it came out great. I also wanted to point out some of the modifications that I did to the nacelles, like this grill here, where it's going to have some red lights, so that when we put this piece in the back, we will see the lighting in red shine through the nacelle ports, and that's going to give it a nice effect. So this is what it looks like with the nacelles painted with the Aztec masking, and I still got to do this other side, which is still not done. I just wanted to show the difference of what it looks like with and without. I did start a little bit in the back. As I said, I'm doing this in sections because to me that is the easiest way to handle this build. Here's a partial view of the top saucer section. I wanted to show what it's going to be looking like. And I cannot wait to see how it's going to look once I start applying the weathering effects that I'm going to be adding to this ship. Here's a view of the bottom saucer section with the rest of the ship in the little hangar that I got set up for this build. I have to say, getting the Aztec masking installed on this ship, because of the weather and the cold up here on the East Coast, it was not easy. The Aztec masking kept coming off and falling off because the surface of the model was cold. So I had to spend some time warming up the room and warming up the pieces to get the stuff to stick so that I can spray it. It was quite the task. That took quite a few days to manage to get it right. The reason I'm doing the masking and painting job on this build is because I wanted to make it my own and have it be a little bit different and have the best of both worlds, because I'm planning on doing a variation of the refit Aztec masking paint job with additional weathering on the ship, so that I can have a unique custom built NCC 1701 model ship. That way I will be applying my own twist on what I feel it should look like for me. That about wraps it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.